Okay. Once we feel out how the head is going to shape up, and then we get it in proportion, I want to come in and I want to stick my thumb in here once I've got where I want the eyebrow to be, and I'm just gonna, it's basically like a pinching motion, and then I'm just kind of pressing this down just to give the depth, because the eye is actually set into the head. So sometimes you see people with large protruding like eyebrows, and others are a little bit softer. And this I'm gonna just kind of make it a little bit more pronounced, I guess not cavemanish, but so there we have that. And then I'm just gonna pinch this, and I'm gonna set these in a little bit more, so when I add the eyes, it will make more sense. And those are shaping the eyebrows.